for calling the New Track Supply. This is Johnny. How can I help you?
Hi, Johnny. How are you today?
Good. And yourself?
Yes, I was seeing online that you guys had a sale on wood stretchers. Can I pick one up from there?
Wood stretch. Oh. You talking about like the Let me see here. You talking about the wire stretcher?
No, a wood stretcher.
Wood stretcher. Let me look it up. I don't even remember what that looks like. I probably know. I just don't know what it was called. You have it online with you right now?
Not at the moment. My webpage,
Bro.
it didn't load right.
I'll find it. Let me see. Wood stretcher. What did you use to look it up? Like, what did you put exactly in the search bar?
I used Google.
Oh, and it popped up Tractor Supply?
Yes, they had them on sale. I think they were $59.99.
Okay. Wood stretcher.
Go back over. He snorts coming around the thing. He's probably asking somebody.
You know what? What brand is it? Is it the American Farm Works?
I don't have.
I think so, yes. Or maybe it was made by Asfund. You know, the tree company Asfund. I think they made one.
The only one I'm finding on here is that we have this, like, it's like a little wooden 2x4, and it's got the two metal pieces on it. That's for wire stretching. I'm not finding it on here.
You're not finding a wood stretcher?
Mm-mm.
No, because I need to make my wood longer.
Let me try here. Wood stretcher. Harbor Freight.
How long do you need your wood?
I need my wood at least 3 inches longer. You know, when I buy a 2x4 and it's just a little bit too short, I need to stretch it.
Alright, let me put you on hold real quick, okay?
Okay.
I can find this for you.
It's not related to Maddie.
Like Terry's wire stretchers. I don't know where you saw that at. I can't find it on my end, not even on Google.
You can't find a wood stretcher?
Mm-mm.
Well, that's really weird.
Not for our store, anyways.
You've never heard of a wood stretcher?
I have not, just a wire stretcher.
Is there a manager?
1 second. How can I help you?
Excuse me, what was your name again?
Kyle?
Kyle. Hi, Kyle.
Hi.
My name's John. I was looking online and I seen you guys had a sale on wood stretchers.
Okay.
Do you have one that I could just walk in and buy instead of trying to buy it online and wait for shipping?
Let me check for you. Let me put you on hold 1 second. I'll take a walk and see if I can find one.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Do you happen to have the item number of the one you're looking at online?
Oh no, I don't. You know what? I'll just order it online. But do you have any? Do you guys carry Diet Sweet Cobb?
No, we just have the regular one.
You just have regular Sweet Cobb, not Diet Sweet
Yeah.
Cobb?
Right.
Oh darn it! My pigs like Diet Sweet Cobb.
Okay.
Do you happen to have, like, I'm going hiking next week. Do you have any dehydrated water?
No, we don't have that either.
You don't have dehydrated water? Man, what kind of place is this?
Not sure if it's something we don't carry.
Okay, can you order it?
Yeah, we could probably order it online for you.
Yeah, I'd love to have you order me some dehydrated water. You know, it just fits better in my backpack.
Okay. Let me get a piece of paper so I can take down your name and number and we can call you.
Name.
Your address.
Your name and number.
Okay, you have a pen?
Yeah.
My name is Philip
Okay.
Labosh.
How do you spell that?
L
Okay.
A B A S H.
Okay.
All right, and my number is, it's in the 559 area code, okay?
Okay.
And it's 8 6
Yep.
7
Okay.
5 3 0 9.
Okay. 8675309. All right, I got. I'll see if I can put an order in for you.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. Take down.